The Eyesight Off check manual warning in your Subaru indicates that the advanced driver assistance system is not functioning correctly. This system provides critical safety features that rely on sophisticated camera technology. The eyesight system uses dual stereo cameras mounted behind the windshield to provide features like adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, and lane departure warning. These dual stereo cameras work together to create a three-dimensional view of the road ahead, allowing the system to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and lane markings with precision. The Eyesight Off check manual warning appears when the system cannot function properly. This happens when camera visibility is compromised, the system detects malfunctions, environmental conditions exceed operational parameters, or software encounters processing errors. The most common causes fall into two categories. Environmental factors include windshield obstructions like ice, snow, dirt, or water droplets, as well as weather conditions such as heavy rain, extreme temperatures, or bright sunlight causing camera glare. Technical issues can also trigger the warning, including windshield damage in the camera viewing area, loose camera connections, software glitches, battery voltage fluctuations, camera misalignment, or aftermarket window tinting that affects camera visibility. It's crucial to keep the camera viewing area behind the rearview mirror completely clear. Subaru specifically prohibits installing accessories in this zone, as shown in these diagrams, because any obstruction can trigger the eyesight off warning and disable critical safety features. Understanding the eyesight off warning is essential for maintaining your vehicle's safety systems. Remember that this advanced technology relies on clear camera visibility, and most issues can be prevented by keeping the camera area clean and unobstructed. When your Subaru eyesight shows the off check manual warning, start with the most common solution, cleaning the windshield. Focus on the area directly in front of the cameras behind the rearview mirror. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting the eyesight system. Turn off your vehicle completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart the engine. Drive at speeds above 20 miles per hour to allow the system to recalibrate. If the warning persists, perform advanced diagnostics. First, inspect your windshield for any chips, cracks, or damage in the camera viewing area. Even small damage can interfere with the system's operation. Next, check your battery voltage using a multimeter. The voltage should read 12.6 volts or higher. Low battery voltage can cause eyesight system malfunctions. When basic troubleshooting fails, professional service may be required. This can range from system calibration to camera replacement or windshield replacement with recalibration. Seek professional help when the warning persists after basic troubleshooting, when there's physical damage to cameras or windshield, or after any collision. Remember, addressing eyesight warnings promptly is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's safety systems.